great and you all are safe at home. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then hey, I'm Kineri and I make videos related to beauty, fashion and skincare. Okay, so here I'm gonna tell you why you should subscribe my channel, because I am going to provide you more authentic and helpful content out there, and I'm gonna provide more of affordable fashion, beauty and skincare. So yeah, in that case, hit that subscribe button right now and I promise you won't regret subscribing my channel. So let's move towards the video. Today I'm going to do the most trending haul video, like it's all over the YouTube, it's all over the internet. So I'm going to do a clothing haul, and that too of a Meesho clothing haul. So don't worry, it's not a huge haul, so you don't have to sit for hours and watch me. It's a very mini haul because I also want to give this a shot and see how you guys like it or not. Or I had picked up few cute tops and one kurta set, I guess. So I'm eagerly waiting to show you because I think that's totally worth it. The amount I paid for them is insane and is so affordable, I can't even tell you. So yeah, I just cannot wait to share all of my picks with you. Okay, so just in case you don't know what Meesho app is, you can find this app easily on Play Store, and it is for both Android and iOS users. So yeah, you can easily download it from there. And just in case if you struggle to download it, I will be leaving the link in the description box, so you can go and download it from the link also. And yeah, so it's just an Indian app. You can get everything, like A to Z things are available, like every category is available on the app, and it is very reasonable. So there are few things you need to keep in your mind while shopping with Meesho. You should pick product which must have at least 3.8 or 3.9 rating, and products which are having like 4 or more than 4 rating, like 4.2 or 4.5, definitely you can go for them. It just come out absolutely wonderful. I mean, quality wise, design wise, everything, they come out very nice in all. So yeah, just go for the reviews. They customers upload their reviews or pictures, so just go for the review and then only shop for them. And second thing I would tell you about Meesho is that they don't charge you any sort of shipping fee or delivery fee, which is so good. I mean, doesn't matter whatever the amount of your product is, or you just want to get a product of rupees 150 or 200, still they are not going to charge any sort of shipping charges or delivery charges. So that's that. And also they don't provide you the links of the products, they provide you the product code. Whatever I will be showing in this video, I will be leaving the product codes of every product in the description box below. So what you have to do is just go to the Meesho app, open it and go to the search and just type the product code, and then you will get the product in front of you. And if you don't know how Meesho app looks, it like I will be leaving the interface of Meesho app, like how does it looks and how can you use. So yeah. And last thing I would like to say, you can only place one order at one time because they are different sellers. So yeah, so you can just place one order at one time, but still it's not a big problem. You can just place an order. For example, you can just go and search for any top, choose your size, choose your color and place your order, put your address and all, everything. There is also several payment options, so you don't have to worry. There is COD also, and although it's a trustable app, but still I will say you that go for COD. I think it's just so easy. Go for the COD option, and after completing that order you can continue shopping and you can place whatever you want. So yeah, that's all I want to say about this app. So without any further ado, let's move towards the haul. Okay, so first I'm going to show you this beautiful gray top. It has this ruched design in the middle and that tie knot thing. So yeah, you can adjust it according. It has also these bell sleeve sort of a design. So yeah, that's really cute. And this type of tops is all over the internet. You can see like every Instagram store, every website, like every app is selling this type of top. And I don't remember the exact price, but I think it was just for rupees 250 or something. But I will be leaving the exact price and code, everything, so don't worry. I'm in the size small and it was the smallest size available. So yeah, they have pretty good size options also, but yeah, extra small was not available. But I think extra small can also fit into this. It will be a little bit loose. Yeah, I quite like it. Quality wise also it's very good. It is not see-through at all. So I am really impressed, and they have also different color options, so you can go and choose according to you. So yeah, I think for my side it's a 4.5 out of 5. Okay, so the next one is I had picked up a combo, like it's a combo of two tops. So it comes like this, like it's a very basic crop top, and it's a perfect crop length, not too short and not too long. It's just perfect crop. I hope you can see, and the color is also very pretty. I mean, it's a mint blue color. Again, I'm in the size S, and I have one more color, which is this beautiful pink. I mean, just look at this color. Oh, sorry, just look at this color. It's again very beautiful. I mean, I love this sort of color, and I don't have this sort of color in my wardrobe. I need to get my hands on this. And to be very honest, it was just for rupees 400, not even 400, I guess 394 or 395 something. And it's a very good deal. I mean, guys, it is literally of good quality. Again, not at all see-through. It is a little bit see-through, but because of the color, you're not able to see anything. So yeah, it's again good in quality, very comfortable, good material, perfect length, perfect fitting, not too body hugging and not too loose. I mean, they are like perfect crop top. So yeah, definitely go for these type of combo. From my side, I'm gonna give it 4.7 out of 5. So yeah. Okay, so here I have a very great deal for you. Okay, after watching this one, you will definitely thank me, because this is the cheapest out of all of these haul. I mean, this is the cheapest I can say out of all these stuff I had picked, and to be very honest, it is totally worth it. So this is something which everyone can wear, everyone and anyone can wear. So I had picked up this beautiful strappy kurta, and oh my god, you can adjust the strap, and the quality is again very good. Like although it's a little bit see-through, but still because of its color you cannot like see much at all, but still I love the quality. The slit is also perfect, and it has the silver lining on the slit. I mean, it's so beautiful. It has this very minimal silver detailing in front. I mean, I am in really love with this one. And let me tell you the plus point. So this kurta comes with the bottom wear, again with the same design. It has the silver lining, like it has this elastic band. It's going to fit you perfectly, and it's a very loose straight fit sort of a pant. Again, the same color. I mean, it's so basic and yet so elegant. Let me tell you guys, I had just paid rupees 400, like literally 400 or 460 something for these two, like this whole set. I am getting such a nice, good quality basic kurta set, which is so elegant. Whatever occasion it is, you can wear like for your office, for your college, or you just want to go for, you know, some shopping, anything. You can just wear this type of thing, and you're ready to go anywhere. To give this a 5 on 5 rating. The quality is so good. I mean, it's so comfortable. Just go for this without having any second thought. And yes, you can thank me in the comment section. So I have saved the cutest thing for the last. I mean, I'm talking about this piece of clothing I'm wearing. So this is a very cute sort of a tube top with this strappy sleeves. I don't know what to say, but yeah, they are so beautiful. You can just tie them and make this beautiful bow. And this top will automatically make you look so beautiful. Again, I'm in the size small, or if I'm not wrong, extra small. I will be leaving the size again on the screen and the description box below, so don't worry about it. I had placed order for the blue one, like it was the very light blue or powder blue sort of a shade, but they sent me white instead of that. That color was really pretty and cool, but white is just something you cannot say no to, a white color or a black shade. So yeah, white looks really pretty on me. I don't know, even though I'm a dusky skin, but it's really flattering me. So yeah guys, they have also different color options. They have red, blue, black, I guess, so you can go and check it out. And they have also pretty good sizing options available also. And this one was just rupees 260 or 250. Again, I will be leaving the exact detail on the screen. And from my side, I'm gonna give it a 4.8 out of 5. I mean, this is so good, and this is going to make you look so, this top is so universal. I mean, you can pair it up with anything, like any bottom wear, denim, skirts, like anything. So yeah, definitely I will suggest you go for this one. So yeah guys, that's it about today's video. And if I am going to suggest you something, like to choose something, if you are not someone who wear these sort of tops, or you know, so definitely go for this kurta set. I mean, this is a steal deal, you guys. Before they increase the price on their app, I will suggest you, just after watching the video, go and buy this one quickly and thanks me by subscribing my channel. So yeah guys, I hope this video has really helped you to pick some cute stuff and you guys will find this one helpful and cute. I mean, this is a second haul video, I guess, second clothing haul. And anyway, I'm going to try more of the different apps and more Meesho, because Meesho is really having a huge variety and I need to try them on because they are like literally very reasonable. I mean, they are so affordable. So yeah, don't worry, I'm here to pick the best of best pieces for you guys so that you don't have to try it out, because I am here to try it out for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching me, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you want to follow me on my other social media, I will be leaving everything in the description box below, so you can go and follow me. Don't not forget to press the notification bell icon, so every time I will be posting a video, you guys will be notified. I promise I will be back with second Meesho haul very soon. So yeah, for that you have to stay connected with me. So yeah, that's it about it. Stay happy, stay safe, and yeah, keep watching me.